This is crazy fast. Okay, well, maybe not that fast, but it's really fast. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Mandy K Way. And today we are going to be talking about my hair and what happens to me when I curl my hair. Every time I curl my hair, it's guaranteed that I'm going to burn myself at least twice. Most of the time, it's more than twice. Between burning my scalp and burning my fingers, one of those, if not usually, both of them happen every single time. So most of the time, I use a curling one, and when my hair was shorter, I would use a flat iron. But I find the flat iron does not work well with my longer hair. It gets curled up and it pulls and yanks it out. And I have enough of hair falling out without it falling out whenever I'm trying to curl my hair. We were recently out shopping and I saw the Chi spin and curl and I thought it looked really interesting. I came home and did some research and watched some videos and decided I wanted to give this a try. So I ordered it from Amazon and I couldn't wait for it to come. Now I will put a link in the description if you are interested in trying this curler out too. I know this has been out for a little while, but I like it so much that I wanted to make a video about it to let all of you know about this in case you never heard about it before. So let's take a quick look at the spin and curl itself. So on the back, it says this side towards head, which I absolutely love that it says this. So there's no way to be confused about which side goes towards your head. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front of the curler. First, you're going to notice that you have two arrow buttons. Now, when you're holding it against your head, one's going to curl your hair away from your face, and the other one is going to curl your hair towards your face. So you only have one way to hold it up, but whatever button you push determines how you're going to curl your hair, which I think is awesome. Over here on the side, you have your control button. So you have your power button, the plus and minus, which you control your temperature with that. And then in the middle, you have your M, and that controls the timer. Now, one thing I absolutely love about the outside of this curler, and I made a big deal about it in the beginning because I really do always burn myself when I curl my hair. The selling point for me with this was the outside of this curler does not get hot. The only way you can possibly burn yourself is if somehow you get your finger down inside and actually touch the ceramic barrel. If nothing else, this wins my vote because I don't burn myself. If we take a look inside, you do have a 1-inch ceramic rotating barrel, and the cord, you have a crazy long 9-foot cord, and it swivels. Another important thing about this is you cannot get your hair stuck in this. Like I was saying before about my flat iron, whenever I would try to curl it, I would have hair that gets stuck in it. And whenever I take my hair out, it rips my hair out. You cannot get your hair stuck in this. If you get too much hair in it, it won't curl your hair. It'll make this beeping noise, and all you have to do is like pull it out gently. And pull isn't even a good word when you take it out. You just like bring the curler down and your hair comes right out. Okay, as far as the temperature settings for this, you can go as low as 180 degrees and as high as 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And this also has a 1-hour shut off. So if you forget to turn it off after an hour, it is going to turn off by itself. So let's go ahead and turn this on so we can start to get it to warm up, because I do definitely want to show you how well this curls. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I actually like to go to about 375. As you can see, I have the curler set at 375 and the timer set for 15 seconds. I also have gone ahead and sprayed a little bit of hairspray to hold the curls because I did not want to spray hairspray down here around all of my cameras. So I do have some hairspray to hold the curls. So let's go ahead and section my hair off here a little bit so we can get started. I'm really excited to show you guys how well this curls. I absolutely love it. Okay, so we have the hair clipped up. Got my comb. Okay, guys, there is a little trick about using this, though. It doesn't like big sections of hair. It's not going to spin your hair. They recommend that you use a 1-inch section of hair at a time as the biggest section. In a little bit, I'll show you what happens when you get a bigger section than it likes. You also need to make sure that the section of your hair that you're getting ready to curl, that you put it in the middle of the barrel. If it's not in the barrel, you're also going to have the curler go haywire. So it's important that you put your piece of hair in the center of the barrel and kind of pull it down or hold it down when you curl. If you do that, it's going to go smoothly. So let's go ahead and start curling so you can see how well this curls my hair. You ready, guys? Okay. We're going to take a small section here in the back. Here we go. It's that easy, guys. I love it. And I have it set for the 15 seconds, remember. So when the 15 seconds are up, you're going to hear 3 little beeps. And that's when you know, there, did you hear it? That's when you know you can take it out. And you simply just slide it out. And guys, look at this curl. It's like the perfect curl. I absolutely love it. Let's keep moving on. Guys, it is really so easy. And I usually like to let it go rotate for like 3 times to make sure that it is all of my hair is wrapped around. And there really is no pull at all. And you get these amazing curls. So let's go ahead and keep continuing, and I will be right back. And guys, this is just hands down my go-to way to curl my hair now. It is fast and easy, and as you can see, I have it right up alongside my head, and it's warm, but it is not hot to where it's going to burn you at all. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, guys, and there is the side, and that was what, like literally minutes. It's amazing. So I am going to go ahead and curl the rest of my hair, and I will be back in a minute. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to start my second section. And I wanted to show you guys what happens when you get too much hair in the curler. So I'm just going to section this in half. So I have a nice thick section of hair here. And stick it in the middle. And you're going to get that constant beeping noise. And all you have to do is literally just pull your hair out and it comes right out. So to get the curler to stop beeping, you just hold the power button in and it resets itself. All right, so let's continue with small sections of hair. All right, guys, last layer here. And guys, there is one full side of my hair completely curled. So let's go ahead and finish this side real quick, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay guys, we are done, and here are the curls. I absolutely love these curls. They really are the perfect curl every single time. So I am going to go upstairs, break the curls up just a little bit, and put some hairspray on, and I will be right back to finish the video. All right guys, I'm back with the finished product. As you can see, I have these gorgeous curls that I absolutely love, guys. I love the fact that I don't burn myself when I curl my hair, and I feel safe using it. As you can see, I had this leaning right up on my head, touching my head. I didn't get burned, guys. This is the greatest thing ever. And once you get used to it, it makes curling your hair kind of fun. I always dreaded curling my hair with the wand, first because I burned myself, but it just wasn't fun. My arm got tired holding the wand up, but this, it's actually fun. I really enjoy curling my hair now. Do me a favor and comment down below if you have the spin and curl and what you think about it. I will put a link down in the description if you would like to try this curler out. And also, if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!